Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. My first field placement was with a home health care agency with a hospital network in my area, which is the Lehigh Valley. At my agency, I was interning as a medical social worker, going out into homes and doing assessments to help connect the clients to resources within their community. A lot of the clients were considered older adults. I have also worked as a social worker in a long-term care and rehab facility where I was the social worker for around 100 residents at a time. I did things such as BIMS assessments, PHQ-9 assessments to assess mood and mental status and things of that nature. Um, my experience with older adults on a personal level would be that I do have grandparents. Unfortunately, they have passed away, but my experience with them was always a positive one. Some of them were placed on hospice, which actually helped guide me to want to be a hospice social worker. So that is my goal. A burning question I have about older adults is really just trying to figure out why um, social work professionals or social work students aren't as interested in working with the older adult population, and what can we as current social work students and future professionals, what can we do in order to I guess, build the popularity of working with the older adult population and gerontology as a whole. So I really look forward to this class and learning more about older adults and working with you all. Thank you.